this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. I am doing great, because I'm outside and I get to make English videos for you guys. Yes. So guys, we read a story called Hey Pancakes. Yeah, the story is about 3 kids and they like to eat pancakes. They made a lot of mess in their kitchen, but they ate all the pancakes up and it was so delicious. Do you guys like pancakes? Oh, I like pancakes. I love to eat pancakes, especially strawberry pancakes. So now guys, Teacher Shane has 4 vocabulary words that I'm going to share with you right now. So, are you guys ready? Say ready! All right, here we go. The first vocabulary word is alarm clock. Let's say it 3 times. Alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock. An alarm clock is a clock. And guess what? It will ring and it will make a big sound like this. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. An alarm clock would tell you when it's time for you to get up, to go to work, to go to school, when to eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, that is called an alarm clock. Okay, the next word is butter. Let's say it 3 times. Butter, butter, butter. You can eat butter with bread. Yeah. You can spread butter on your bread. You can spread butter on your bagels. You can eat butter, well, with your sandwich. Yeah, it makes your food taste very, very good. So the next word is middle. Let's say it 3 times. Middle, middle, middle. Middle means someone who is center. For example, if there's a ball here and a ball here, in the middle, there's something there. That is called middle. Another example about middle, if there's a boy here and a girl here, and you are right here, you are in the middle. Yeah, that's what middle means, in the center. All right, guys. The next word is blueberry. Let's say it 3 times. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Do you guys want to eat blueberries? Blueberries are sweet, delicious, and very good. Yeah. You can eat blueberries with ice cream, cake, and pancakes. Yeah. I'm feeling very hungry right now. I want to eat blueberries with pancakes. All right, great job, everyone. Those were some easy vocabulary words, right? Yes, it was. So now, guess what, guys? We are going to review the vocabulary words together. Do you guys want to do it with Teacher Shane? Say yeah! All right, here we go. The first vocabulary word is ding-a-ling-ling-ling-ling-ling. Yes, alarm clock. Let's say it 3 times. Alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock. Very good. The next word is, that's right, butter. Let's say it 3 times. Butter, butter, butter. You can spread butter on your bread. You can spread butter on your bagel. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. You can try it. All right. Okay, guys, the next word is, that's right, middle. Let's say it 3 times. Middle, middle, middle. You are in the middle. A car can be in the middle. Anything can be in the middle. The final vocabulary word is, yes, that's right, blueberry. Let's say it 3 times. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Great job, everyone. Amazing. Whoa, we just reviewed the 4 vocabulary words together. Yeah. High five, everybody. Whoosh. Another high five. Whoosh. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.